Hi, it's Patrick with E38. In this video I'll show you how to connect your Emlid Reach receiver to Pointman by Prostar for Android. We'll start by configuring our RS3 in Emlid Flow. We'll change our correction input to Bluetooth. This will allow Pointman to be the source of corrections for our receiver. Then we'll navigate to Settings, then tap Bluetooth so that we can enable discoverability. We'll also confirm one of our position streaming settings is set to Bluetooth NMEA. Now that we've configured what we needed to in Emlid Flow, we'll need to close out Emlid Flow in the background. Additionally, we need to open the notification center and select our receiver listed as connected and select disconnect. Now we can open Pointman and navigate to settings. Under devices, tap configure Bluetooth. Then we will pair our Emlid receiver to our device. Then select Emlid for our GPS and select our receiver from the drop-down box. We can then set our antenna height and select our geodetic height model and configure our entrip corrections. I already created an entrip profile and it is selected, but to create that just tap the ellipsis, then New, and there you will input your entrip credentials. We can also set alarms for our tolerances for these different parameters. Now we're ready to start collecting points. We'll have our residuals and coordinate information streamed from our receiver listed in the top right corner. This has been Patrick with E38 Survey Solutions. Thanks for watching.